A bar manager was fatally stabbed at his house in St. James during a dispute on Wednesday evening. The deceased has been identified as 43-year-old Lincoln Green of Claude Clark Avenue in Montego Bay in the parish. According to the police, Green was attacked and stabbed numerous times at about 6:30 p.m. Reports reaching Observer Online are that residents heard loud noises coming from Green's apartment and went to make some checks. Upon their arrival, Green's nude body was reportedly seen covered in blood on his veranda with stab wounds to the upper body, face, and head. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A woman who was reported missing on Sunday was found murdered in St. Thomas. She is 39-year-old Titsy Bunny, a resident of Bull Bay, St. Andrew. Her body was found wrapped in a sheet in bushes in Grandspen Heights, St. Thomas, about midday by family members who had formed a search party. Miss Bunny was last seen alive on Sunday when she went to Yellows to conduct business. She was last seen entering a Toyota Probox motor car in Yellows, which was destined for Kingston. A family member who spoke with Radio Jamaica News said they found Miss Bunny after they decided to search an off-road area they suspected could be used by criminals. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has been plunged into mourning following the death of a police constable on Wednesday. Reports are that a policeman identified as Zachary Campbell, who was assigned to protective service, was found unresponsive at his home sometime after 7 p.m. He was transported to the Spanish Town Hospital by relatives where he was pronounced dead. News of the policeman's death has left his colleagues in shock.